Okay guys, so right now we are entering at the Kew Garden. We just checked in and stuff to show our ticket because I bought the ticket online. So now we are going to find the children garden because the children garden closes at 6 p.m. Yeah, so it's now 4 o'clock. She have 2 hours to go for the children garden. So there are lots of people here. It's amazing. Yeah, when we are at the children garden, you can eat there as well.
KFC.
Yes, you're gonna have your KFC. Oh, yeah. So we are trying to find our way to the children garden now.
You also got this and
Yes,
a pen.
you got a
So
pen
also
and,
got like certain things are like.
and yeah.
You got this.
What is it? What did you see? Oh, they gave her a book. Oh, so she can look to see certain things that she see and stuff in there. There is activities you can do there.
Well, look at the people.
Yes, wow, there is so much people in here. It's amazing. As I said, we came here once. She cannot remember that because she was a bit younger. So now she get to come here. Okay, let's go there. Come to the side. Come to the side. Come to the side.
Why is there dogs?
Come on, let's go.
Why is there dogs?
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Dogs. Why is there dogs?
So, do you want to go there or you want to go look for the children garden? Which one? So let's go. I think he's.
Found the first scale.
Yeah.
The scale.
Yeah, this one. So let me take a photo of it. So guys, as you know, we have our bag and baggage with our stuff. Vishan, you can take photo here as well. Come. 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 We're not staying here. I just want to take a photo. It's just a photo. Come. Leave the bag. Come. Three-part sculpture. This is called the three-part sculpture. So you saw it on the paper you have, yeah?
What? What's it?
Three-part sculpture. So she got this. Come, let's take a photo, then we can go. The three-part sculpture. That's not it, that's a different one. Show me. That's not it, that's a different one. Maybe it's inside. Come on. Let's go this way. Which one? Yes. You saw this. Okay.
Look, I ticked it.
Okay.
Look at the back.
This is the pan house patera.
What?
Okay, let's go this side. Lovely flowers. So the design is so amazing, guys.
Look at those statues.
Huh?
Those statues.
Yeah. The water is here. There's a big pond. Yeah, they're so nice. Look. Wow. What do it look like? It's like a palm tree, I think.
Palm tree.
Yeah.
Let me see if I see a palm tree. No.
Fish. Where's the children? Where's the children park? We should go and heave. Go take a bed there. In the water.
It's deep.
I know, I'm joking, my love. No diving and no swimming. See? Look at this dip. Yeah? Yes, it's so beautiful. Yes, my love. Yeah.
I get to keep.
Yes, it's yours. It's yours. Baby. The garden is so lovely, guys. It's so amazing. I love it.
What's that?
So now we are trying to locate that children park. I don't know, there is one over there as well.
We're here.
Hmm? Number 29, this one here.
What's that?
Bones of Inspiration. Turn the page around so you can see. I think, is that it? No? Like there is some singing and stuff over there. Okay, let's go this way. Come.
I'm just behind you. See, you're being ridiculous.
Okay, so we are walking. Henry Moore, recycling figure, Arch Lake.
Three piece. Look, 3 piece.
Three-piece recycling. What? Okay. Come. I think, okay, I need to have a drink. I'm thirsty. Let's have a drink. I'm so thirsty now.
How about a picnic?
Huh? Okay, let's have a drink. So we stopped to have a drink, guys. I had mine. Riri's having hers now. In a while.
I'm gonna walk while I'm drinking.
Okay, let's go. In a while, we're gonna sit and have something to eat. Yes, you have her KFC. So there's another garden over there. So lovely. The flowers is so amazing. Animal Family Trail Locking Pace. Come. I think that's the children park there. I don't know.
That's the park. I see a slide.
You see a slide? Are you sure? You can see slide from far.
Oh.
I think I'm seeing tents.
What?
I'm seeing tents there. Are you sure? It's so big.
See this park. Where is it? I think that's where people are. A skin up tree.
Skin up tree. Where would you see this here? I don't think you will see this in here, my love. She said that's a skin up tree. Let's see what's here. I think here is somewhere they have, I don't know, like they have some kind of festival or something. Yeah, maybe. Come. Dogs and bee. Oh. So we're gonna get there. Let's go to the children park. I'm gonna take her in now to the children park. So we are almost there.
There's activities. There's a stage.
Let's see what is it.
They're stopping end of August.
Oh yeah, I saw this one. You had to book online. It's £1.75, but because we came a bit late, it finished. Look, the kids are climbing there.
Look, Mum. Look. Literally climbing the tree.
Yeah, there's children climbing there.
This way?
She said a green hole is there. So let's go. I don't know. Let's see. So many people over there. I think he's here or in here. I think. So, I think so.
It's like that's the park.
Maybe. Let's see if.
People screaming.
Yeah, but children is everywhere. They can't be screaming. So guys, coming to Kew Garden is a must. Coming to Kew Garden is a must. Okay, welcome to the children garden. Okay, so it's open from 10 to 6. Yes, so that's it. Yeah, we are entering the children garden now. So you're happy. There's lots of things. Oh, I remember this one. You and Liam went to that slide as well. There is a
It looks like the same as
sandpit as well. there, Your favorite sandpit. There is that boardwalk up there. This walk. You all went on this as well, I remember. When you and Liam went up there. So, what do you want to do? You can start making your way. Go do what you have to do. There is, yes, I remember this as well. I remember there was a place with water. I think it was over there. Let's check. As yet, you know how long it's going to take? Or if they close it off already, I'm not sure. Let's see. Wow. Sorry. There's so many places here, look. Wow. If you think you see anywhere, you don't see anywhere yet, my love. Look. Hmm? Let's see. Yes, there is water there. I remember that place.
I'm not going there as yet.
Yeah, but you're not sure what time you're gonna close. I think then, what kind of old water is this? What do plants need? The water garden. What do plants need to grow? Water. Huh? You want to do what? Feel the water. You want to go there? So there is this pipes there with water. Okay guys, so Rara is gonna go on that boardwalk over there. So see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.